Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be about a jewelry subscription box. I love jewelry and I know some of you guys really love jewelry. So today I'll be talking about some jewelry subscription box. Actually one jewelry subscription box which is called as Orna Box. So basically if you're not aware about it, I'll just quickly tell you that it is a very affordable jewelry subscription box. And I guess got 2 or 3 of those. I'm doing ORNABOX jewelry from the past 2 or 3 months, and trust me guys, all of the jewelry that I get in the box are really affordable, and at the same time they are really good quality jewelry. I pretty much wear the ORNABOX jewelry every single day and I love it. But today for the month of January I have 2 boxes right over here. There's a green box and then there's a blue box. Obviously these 2 boxes are different. There's a price difference as well as there's a difference in the jewelry as well. There are 2 other boxes that they have. I'll give the details of it on the screen maybe. And this green box is priced at I guess 499 rupees with some extra shipping, and this blue box is priced at I guess 699 rupees with no shipping at all. I would also mention the prices of these boxes on the screen for you, and they have a lot of offers going on at the moment. In fact, if you subscribe to their jewelry subscription box for the entire year, you're gonna get 50% off, which is amazing. So if you are somebody who loves jewelry and absolutely cannot live without jewelry and you need a new jewelry every single day, an annual subscription of the Orna Box would be a good idea. But other than that, they also have a 3 months subscription box. They also have a 6 months. And if you're a boy watching this, let me tell you, you can just surprise your girl with so many options of Valentine's Day subscription boxes. I'll give details here on the screen. So that is a lot of talking. Let's start with the green box right over here. I'm going to open everything. Like, everything comes really nicely packed in a bubble wrap. The jewelry pieces are individually wrapped in plastic bags like these. Okay, so the first one which really caught my attention is this one. I've not opened any of these. I just took a little bit of a sneak peek because I get really curious whenever I get these boxes. The first one is a bracelet, and just out of the packaging it looks brilliant. I love the look of it. It's a very beautiful bracelet. It's so beautiful. It is something so unique. I mean, this one is affordable. Am I mixing the colors and the price of the box? I'm not sure. But 499 के box में इतना सुंदर jewelry piece. Honestly, सिर्फ इसके लिए I can pay 499. It's so beautiful. Of course, I'll give you a close-up and I will wear it and show you guys. But it is so beautiful. Such good quality, and the placement of the stones are so nice. I love this. It's so beautiful. The first jewelry, and I'm so surprised by the quality and the look of it. If you love bracelets, I think you might just love it so much. I guess it's going to go with the sweater that I'm wearing. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. The next thing is a ring, and I have started loving rings only because of ORNABOX. They give some amazing rings, and here's this one. Beautiful, isn't it? It's so cute. Wow, it's beautiful. It looks amazing. It is a statement ring and it is oxidized gold with a really nice beautiful shiny this thing in the center, and then on the periphery there are a lot of artificial diamonds, or the jerkin diamonds, or crystals, or whatever you want to call it. The ring is also adjustable, which is pretty good because then of course it's going to fit every finger size, and the build quality is also really nice. The next piece of jewelry, it's earring, and this is an oxidized silver one. Very statementy. Looks a little bit boho. Oh. So this is what it looks like. Don't go with the looks of it. It is very lightweight. I love these spiky bits right over here. This is giving a very boho look to this entire thing, and I think it's a very good piece, especially if you're in college and you love to wear black kurtas or anything. This is going to go just perfect with black kurtas. Really nice looking earring, and it's very lightweight. It is not going to stretch your earlobes or anything of that sort. Very lightweight and looks really good, and the shiny bit is adding some extra oomph to it. That's what I feel like. I mean, I love anything shiny. It's really pretty, very statementy and really nice. The next one that I have right over here is this one. Now this is the one that I really like, because these are kind of small everyday wear ka, and it's a gold one, so you can really wear it every single day. It's nothing but then just 2 solitaire like whatever you want to call it, mirrors or crystal or whatever placed, and it's just very simple, minimalistic, but something that you can wear every single day. It is very beautiful. It is something that people will notice, but it is not very bold or loud. It is perfect. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Orna Box. It's a very beautiful piece. I really like it, and this is going to go with every single thing that you wear. The next one that I have is, wow, so this is a piece that I've come across a million times. Let me just open it and see. Now the first thing that I notice is that it is very loud, very loud, and it is just a jhumki with some lot of, it looks like a chandelier pretty much. Yeah, it's not really my style, but it is very lightweight. If you like these kind of jhumkas or things like this, it is very colorful as well. So again, this is going to go something, if you're wearing something solid color attire or something, this will look really good on you. And it's silver, and it is again very lightweight. I won't say very light, as in like this one is lighter than this one. But again, it is not very heavy. It's not uncomfortable to wear. A little out of my comfort zone, but I think I can pull this off. And the last piece of jewelry that I have here is a necklace. I got a similar necklace, I guess, last month as well, and that was pretty nice. I mean, that was also one that you could wear on Indian attires, and this is what it looks like. This one also would look really good on Indian attires, plus on salwar kurta, even sari as well. So this is what it looks like, a beautiful oxidized gold, and this piece right over here looks really pretty. If I don't like this, I can even remove these, right? I can remove these, and I think I'm gonna let this piece hanging. It's beautiful. I love this one. It's really pretty. So that was all the jewelry. So that was all the things that I got in my green box right over here. If you guys feel that I have a little bit of change in the voice, it's because I had real bad cold. I guess I still have cold, but it was really bad 2 days back, so that's why I couldn't really film a lot of videos. Now moving on to this blue box, which I feel personally is one of my most favorite boxes. The number one reason is that $6.99 and no shipping, plus you get the quality of the jewelry in the $6.99 box. I feel is a little bit better than the $4.99 box. That's just what I feel, but I love the green box equally. Anyways, let me just quickly open it. I would just love to find out what do they have in their lifestyle and in their premium box. Those are kind of, there are 4 subscription boxes actually. There's a green box, blue box, and I guess a premium box, and there's a lifestyle box. I would love to know what do they have in the lifestyle and the premium box, because they are a bit more expensive, and I would just love to know the quality and stuff. So, but for now we are dealing with these 2 boxes. So I'm going to open this blue box right over here, and again everything is just packed the way it was in the green box, and everything is individually packed, of course, because this is at a little bit higher price. I am hoping that the quality of the jewelry will be a little or slightly better than the previous one, but this box doesn't really undermine the green box. The jewelry quality is really good in that as well, so you can definitely and safely go for that. But if for some reason you're like me and absolutely hate paying the shipping charges and wouldn't mind paying a little bit extra to cut down on the shipping, probably you should go for the blue box. That's just my advice. Anyways, I'm gonna pick out things and show you what do we have in this box. The first, let's start with bracelet. Again, we have a black bracelet. In the green box also we had a black bracelet. Definitely is right up my alley because I love the color black and I'm wearing black all the time, and I personally love it. Now they have some matte, this thing, wow, it looks stunning. It is not like a regular, you know, those regular stones. It is a little bit matte stone, and the gold part right over here, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. They have this closure thing right over here. I don't know how to open this up, but I'm definitely going to wear it and show you guys. It's really stunning. This piece is stunning, and it's such a versatile piece. It's a very beautiful gold color, and it's very minimalistic, but at the same time it is a very sophisticated piece. I love this really. This is the first piece. I mean, I'm in love with both of the bracelets, the one that I got in green box and the one that I got in blue box are amazing. Moving on to a ring again. So even in the green box and in the blue box, both the rings are amazing, but this one is slightly better because it has so many colors to it, and it has every element of fashion into it. It has pearls, it has diamond, it has gold, and it has a lot of colorful thing over here as well. So this might go with anything solid that you're wearing, and it will obviously go with anything that you wear. Again, the ring is adjustable, very statement ring, very pretty. Something so beautiful. It is such a beautiful ring. Wow, it is so pretty. I love this ring so much. It's so beautiful. The next piece of jewelry is, again, they always send something in oxidized silver, because a lot of people love oxidized silver jewelry. They look really boho, they look very earthy, and they look sometimes really nice. So wow, this is beautiful. This is really pretty. I have not seen something like this before. This is really pretty. I love this. It's a kind of a chandelier. Not really that. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. I'll give you a close-up of this one, and it has a lot of colors in this one as well. It's going to look really pretty with some nice salwar kurta or something. And wow, it's really pretty, and it's very lightweight as well. It's beautiful. It's really nice. Okay, moving on to the next piece of jewelry that I have is this beautiful earring. This would definitely be the star of this box, the blue box. Let me just take this out. It's a beautiful piece of earring and very, very, very good quality. First of all, because it is gold, I'm already in love with this one, and this is what it looks like. If you guys can see in the close-up picture, the quality of this particular earring is beautiful. It has everything into it. The stones that they have here at the bottom are so dazzling and so shiny. I mean, this piece really has taken the blue box to just the next level. It is so beautiful, and this one will go beautifully, of course, with the Indian attire, but you can wear it with gowns, you can wear it pretty much with any of the dresses, western dresses. It is a very, very beautiful piece. I mean, wow, if I had to purchase this from Forever 21 or accessorize, I would have probably paid the cost of the box just for this piece. So that makes the box really affordable and economical, because you're getting so many pieces of jewelry, and that too good quality one. Let me know if you like it, because I really love it. It's beautiful. Moving on to the last piece of jewelry that we have is actually a set, guys, and they have given a beautiful necklace. It's a very beautiful peachy, nude peach color necklace with these kind of stud earrings. So this is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful statement necklace, which is gold, and it has all these peach or very beautiful nude color, you know, this thing right over here. It's really pretty. The quality of the jewelry is really amazing. I'm so thrilled and excited for this one. In fact, there's not a single piece that I don't like in this blue box. Every single piece in this blue box is unique and of really good quality. So I would highly recommend you this one. As far as the green box is concerned, I guess leaving this necklace part, I think rest all other pieces are really good. So guys, that was my Orna Box jewelry for the month of January. I hope you've liked it. Personally, if you ask me, I really love the quality, and I loved every single piece, how they are really unique and they're very, very versatile. So you should definitely check that out. I'm going to give the link of their Instagram page in the description box below. You can definitely check them out, and I have done a lot of Orna Box jewelry videos. You can check that out. I will give the links of all the videos in the description box as well, so that you have a better idea. And if you want really affordable deals, then they have a lot of deals going on. So yeah, go ahead and check out their page. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I hope you've liked it, and if you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button as well, so that you get notified about my future videos, and comment in the comment section below which is your favorite jewelry. I would love to know. And also, I love you. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. So I'm going to see you in my next video very, very, very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling always. And I love you very much. Bye guys.